Hello everyone, welcome back to All About the Mags. Thank y'all for stopping in and watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, go ahead and comment, go ahead and share. I hope every one of y'all had an amazing day on today. In today's video is another cooking video. I am cooking cabbage with applewood thick cut bacon and Eckrich skinless sausages. And I'm also going to fry some non-braided naked chicken wings. I always add some of my cabbage, then I add my seasonings, and then I'll put the lid on and let it cook down some, and then I add the remaining of my cabbage and some more seasoning, stir it up, and put the lid on it and let it simmer until it gets to the texture I like. Sometimes I like it a little chewy and sometimes I don't, so it depends. Yeah, and then I just stir it around, come every, periodically, and just stir it around. These are the seasonings I'm using. These are my chicken wings. I had marinating for about an hour in Sazon garlic powder, a little bit of accent, onion powder, salt and pepper. And then I'm going to fry them naked, non-braided. And then once it's finished, I'm going to take it out, put it in my bowl, and toss it around in a little bit more salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And that's how I cook my naked, non-braided wings. Now I'm going to add my bacon back to my cabbage. I didn't let them stay in there because I didn't want it to get soggy, but I just added it back on top, toss around a little bit, and now it's ready to serve. I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and share, like, and comment. And I hope y'all have an amazing week. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.